A day in my life as a motorman on board. So, as a motorman on board, I am assigned to follow second engineer's work or job orders. So, for today, he instructed me to make a box in our workshop that can save and accommodate these rings for our steering gear system. This is a spare parts just arrived from the shore to our vessel. Then we need to make it secured. That's why he ordered me to make a box made of wood. So let's start. So first of all, we will wear some safety PPE gloves and prepare some tools that we need to use in making a box. So let's start. So first thing we need to do is to cut this pallet that I get from the scrap, because I will just only recycle this one. So I will cut according to the size of the rings that we will put inside. So as you can see, I'm measuring it and making it really precise to make a box. So I have a message to those who really want to become a seafarer, especially an engineer. Make sure that you also have a little bit skills or talent as a carpenter, because even if you are already an engineer or a ratings on board, you need to become also a carpenter, because sometimes you really need to use the tools that we provide to make something, to make our spare parts and equipments in good condition. So we should also learn to become a carpenter. At this moment, I'm almost halfway of what I am doing, and it's almost also coffee time. So second engineer visit me in their workshop to check if I'm really doing what he is instructing. And he is happy that I am really doing what is the plan. So I explained to him that I'm doing like this and like that, and he is okay about that. So let's continue to do the box. Before I forget, I would like to remind that in this project I'm only using scrap pallet woods and these pallet hinges, and the tools are a jigsaw, hammer, tape measure, some drills, because I'm only using screws. I'm not using nails because we don't have nice nails in here, so I'm using only screwdrivers and screws. So I'm using also this battery drill to connect the woods and these hinges. And now I already finished assembling the woods. So we will check if it really fits. So we will try these frames and these rings. So if it really okay, then we will transfer this box to the right position. But now we will check it first. Alright, because the purpose of this box is to protect our spare parts from scratch and damages. So we need a box to store it safely. And now our box is already finished, and it is ready to transfer it to the right position, to the right location in the engine room. So that is the life of a motorman on board, just following job order of the second engineer. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and see you in my next vlog.